Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best water spot removers for cars on Amazon. Water spots usually appear after you've had your vehicle washed. They also follow rain, snow, and other weather threats. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Carfident Scratch and Swirl Remover. Carfident offers a scratch and swirl remover that works wonders on light to medium surface imperfections. It fixes all kinds of scratches, swirls, and marks, and restores the shine and gloss of the paint. The product is easy to apply and can be used with the included buffer pad. This is a very convenient solution for washing the entire vehicle. The Carfident cleaner features a safe formula you can apply to different surfaces and paintwork. It also contains a powerful compound that works to remove water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants. Once applied, the product leaves a glossy coat that makes the vehicle worthy of the showroom. The only thing that might bother you with this product is its low efficiency in removing stubborn stains. If you need something to remove deep and highly noticeable scratches, swirls, and water spots, you may want to keep looking. Also, you might need to reapply the product for perfect results. Number 2. Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. Shine Armor provides a powerful scratch and swirl remover for cars, trucks, and other vehicles. It's a safe yet efficient product that removes dirt, water spots, and other residue from different surfaces. Thanks to the conveniently designed bottle, the liquid is easy to spread on your vehicle and wipe clean. It doesn't even require excessive rubbing for removing buildups and other damage. The Shine Armor product gets rid of harmful oxidation, scratches, and swirls, while also restoring the shine to the paint. It's efficient and simple, so everyone can use it for general vehicle cleanups and maintenance. Furthermore, the formula doesn't contain fillers or wax and is completely safe for the vehicle and the environment. The Shine Armor cleaner is not perfect for deep scratches, however. It makes them less visible but fails to cover them completely. A polisher would resolve the problem more effectively. Number 3. Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. This is one of the most popular wet and waterless car wash kits on the market. It includes a 1-gallon bottle, a 16-ounce spray bottle, and 4 microfiber towels. You get everything needed for full vehicle cleanup, including the product guide, and the process is quite simple. The liquid easily applies to the surface and wipes off without much effort. The main benefit of this car wash kit is its efficiency. The product gets rid of dirt, dust, and water spots in a breeze. The formula is also free of alcohol and ammonia, which means you can use it on numerous different surfaces. This is a wet and waterless wash kit that allows for both quick and thorough cleanups. It's super useful at home, but serves its purpose on the road too. The product might fail to remove gritty particles, however. If you need something more powerful, you'll have to look for a real polisher. A wet and waterless car wash kit is more suitable for regular cleaning and maintenance. Number 4. Bugs and All Interior and Exterior Vehicle Cleaner. If you're looking for an all-purpose product for cleaning and maintaining your car, this cleaner might be ideal for you. It's designed to clean dirt, bugs, water spots, bird droppings, grease, and more. The formula is powerful yet biodegradable, so it won't damage the surface. The liquid works to gently remove stains and residues without damaging the paintwork. The Bugs and All cleaner works quickly and is easy to use. You can apply it to both interior and exterior surfaces for regular cleaning and maintenance. The formula removes water spots super fast, and it doesn't even require excessive rubbing. A little of the liquid goes a long way, so it'll definitely last for a while. Overall, the Bugs and All cleaner makes a great investment for all car owners. The one thing that's missing from the formula is wax. If you want to achieve glossy results, you'll have to buy and apply wax separately. Number 5. Megears Water Spot Remover. Megears Water Spot Remover is one of the most popular products within the category. It's specially designed to remove stains from water and proves to be very safe for different paints. You can use it just like a polisher and remove residues in a breeze, making the surface sparkling clean. The Megears cleaner is designed for all clear coats and glossy painted surfaces. You can apply it to paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and all metal surfaces. That means you can use this cleaner to treat both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.